to my channel. Now here I will be showing you another method that you can use to solve this particular problem on enlargement of a figure. And I'm going to read the question again, then go on and construct the given polygon, then we do the enlargement as instructed. But we are using another method. Let me read the question as I said that an irregular hexagon ABCDEF has the following dimensions. We have that AB is equal to 51, BC is equal to 30, CD is equal to 23, DE is equal to 36, EF is equal to 30, and AD equals 70. AF is 38. Then we have that angle FAB equals 110 degree and angle ABC equals 88 degree. We are asked to construct the hexagon using the above information. Then we are asked to construct a similar figure A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, and F1 that we have an area of ratio 5 to 3 to A, B, C, D, E, F. That is the information given for the construction of the given hexagon. So we are using another method. As I said, we use one method which I've uploaded its video. Then we are making another method that we can also use to solve this particular problem on enlargement of a figure. Now let's start. The first that we need to do, as I said, to construct the given polygon, which is an hexagon. So we draw a line, horizontal line, and we take a measurement of 51 millimeters, which is the length of AB. So here we have this point, and then we take 51 millimeters. This is 51 millimeters here. So if I label this point, this is point A, this is point A, and this is point B here. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we are to construct angle 110 degree at point A and angle 88 degree at point B. So we construct the angle. So 110 degree at point A. So 110 degree at point A. So this is 110 degree here. This is 110 degree. So we draw this line in this direction. So we draw this line in this direction like this. Then 88 degree. So at point B. So this is point B with a protractor. 88 degree. So this is 88 degree here. So here we draw a line like this. Draw a line. Okay, like this. Then next thing we are going to do is that we have to take a measurement of BC. BC is 30 degree. 30 millimeters. BC is 30 millimeters in length, so 30 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 30 millimeters with compass on the ruler. Then we make an arc on this line. Okay, so this point is point C. So we have this point of point C. So the next one is that we have that CD is 23. CD is 23. So we take a measurement of 23 millimeters on the ruler. So this is 23 millimeters here. So we put it at point C here and we make an arc here. So we make an arc here like this. Okay, then before we go on, let us work on AD. Let's work on, okay, so we can work on AD. So let's work on AD. AD is 70 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 70 millimeters on the ruler. So 70 millimeters on the ruler. Then we put the midpoint at A and we make an arc here. So that is point D. So this point here is point D. So we have point D at this point. Okay. So so what we need to do now, so we connect CD together. We connect CD together like this. Okay, so we have CD like this. Okay, the next is that we also have that so DE is 36 millimeters. DE is 36 millimeters. So we take 36 millimeters. So this is 36 millimeters here. Okay, then we put it at this point and we make an arc here like this. So make an arc here. Then so let's get so AF. So AF is 38 millimeters. AF is 38 millimeters. So we take 38 millimeters. So this is 38 millimeters. So we put at this point A here and we make an arc here. So this point is point F here. Okay, so this is point F. So the next that we are going to get is for us to get EF. So EF is 30 millimeters. So take 30 millimeters on the ruler. Okay, so 30 millimeters on the ruler like this. We put it at F and we make an arc here. So this is point E. Okay, so this is point E. So then we join EF together. So we join EF together like this, and we join DE together. We join DE together. So this is DE. Okay. So we have the given polygon, our hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F as instructed. So we have constructed A, B, C, D, E, F, which is the given polygon of given hexagon. So the next thing that we are going to do is to go on with the enlargement of this figure, and to do that I'm going to extend this line AB. So I will extend this line AB, and on this line I'm going to make 5 equal divisions on this line from point B. I made 5 equal divisions. So this is point 1, this is 2, this is 3, so this is 4, and this is 5. Why are we making 5 equal divisions? Because we are given ratio 5 to 3. So the highest among the values in the ratio is 5. That's why we make 5 equal divisions here. So if I number this is point 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. This is not what I'm supposed to do. So sorry for that. We need to clean this one. Alright, so I'm sorry for that. I'm not supposed to do the division here on this line, but I will still make use of this line. So now let's do it properly as we are supposed to do it. Now I'm going to draw a line from this point A here, from this point A in this direction. Okay, so let's call this line, let's call it line EFG. So that is AG. So that is AG. So on this line AG, I will make 5 equal divisions on this line AG. So that is what I'm going to do now. So let's take 15 millimeters. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and here we have, this is 4, then here we have what we have 5. Okay, so now, so I'm numbering this point. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Okay, so we are connecting these 3, so we are taking it from size 3 to size 5. That's what we are doing. Okay, so we connect this point 3 to point B like this. Okay, so we connect to point B like this. Then we take our set square. So we take our set square. So setting it on this line B3 like this, and supporting it with our ruler. Okay, then we shift it to point 5. We shift it to point 5. Then I will draw this line to meet this line at this point. So this point is the new point B, so which is B1. So this is B1. So the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we are going to draw radial lines from point A, passing through point C here, passing through point D, passing through point E, and passing through point F. This is what I mean. So from here, so we draw a line from here, so to go in this direction. Okay, then we draw from A again, so passing through point D like this, and we draw from A again, passing through point E like this, and then we draw from here, passing through point F. Okay, so now, so let's go and do the enlargement. So what we need to do now is that we are starting from BC. We are starting from BC. So we set our set square on this line BC like this. Okay, so we set on line BC and we shift it to point B1. We shift to point B1 and we draw this line like this. Okay, so this is point C1. So this is point C1. Then we set it along CD, along CD like this. So we set along CD like this. Okay, so I need more space. Okay, so then we shift it to point C1. We shift it to C1. We need to take it again. Okay, so now we move it to C1 like this. So taking to C1. So here we have C1. Okay, so I will draw the line like this to make this line. Okay, I pass through D from A. So this is point D1 for enlargement. So next is we also set our set square along DE. So we set the set square along DE. Then we shift it to point D1 like this. Then we draw the line like this. So this is E1. This is E1. So next is, so we set along EF. We set along EF like this. Then we shift it. So we shift it to point E1 and we draw to make this line. Okay, so this is point F1. This is F1. So now, so we have done the enlargement. So I would like to make this line a thick line. Okay, then so I'll make this line also a thick line. Alright, so this is another method that you can use to do the enlargement of this polygon, which is an hexagon. So the enlarged figure is A, B1, C1, D1, E1, and F1. While the given hexagon or figure is A, B, C, D, E, and F. So thank you and God bless you.